Amifullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Get Off My Canal. So today I'm here with another Get Ready With Me. So this is a birthday Get Ready With Me. It is my birthday and I'm getting ready to go out. So the process of this makeup is going to be a little bit different because it's really hot right now. If you live in the Netherlands, then you already know that the weather is really hot. So I'm really going to make sure I get my base ready and I make sure I get a really nice base when it comes to makeup. I've already moisturized, prepped my skin. I also use a sun protective cream because I'm also going underneath the sun, and I use multiple of setting spray, which is the Makeup Revolution Oil Control Setting Spray, and I also use the Makeup Revolution Matte Hold setting spray just because I'm going to be in the sun, I'm going to the beach, so I want the makeup to really last for a while. And I must say the makeup lasts for quite some time. It lasts throughout the day. I didn't really have a shiny face, like you know how sometimes my nose area is a little bit oily. I have like an oily combination skin, so some parts are like dry, some parts are oily. But going through this process, this step on this video, really my makeup lasted for quite a while and I really loved it. So yeah, this is the reason why if you guys see me using multiple of setting spray, that's because I really want the makeup to last. I'm going out this last few weeks in the Netherlands. The weather has been really hot, and it's beautiful, but at the same time it's a little bit crazy because when it's hot in Holland, the weather doesn't come with breeze. So we have this thing, we call it burnout, you know, it's like really hot. There's no breeze coming through and it's a little bit annoying. And so, yeah. So now I just do my eyebrow, just really simple. I'm not really going for like a lot of makeup. I really want something simple. Like I've already moisturized, but you guys see I'm going in again with another matte setting spray. And then I go in with a little bit of illuminator, even though I want my face to be matte, but I also want to have that a little bit of sun-kissed glow underneath. So that's the reason why I use the liquid illuminator from NYX. This is a Born to Glow liquid illuminator Sun Goddess. This is Sun Goddess, and it gives me that really nice sun-kissed glow, even though I'm using matte setting sprays, but I still have that really nice glow, shimmery glow underneath. So I'm using the Milani foundation. I really love this foundation. Of course, the summer is here. Your skin get a little bit darker, and so I wasn't kind of like sure if this foundation really matches my skin, but after applying everything, it looks kind of pretty nice, you know. And I'm also going underneath the sun, so it's going to be more darker. And also what you have to know, I'm using lights on the video, so sometimes the reflection of the lights can make one skin tone looks lighter than my neck. Definitely my neck is always darker. For some of you guys who have been following me for a very time, know that my skin tone are not actually the same. My neck is a bit darker, but I feel like this foundation matches me perfectly. I'm still out there in the market kind of looking for like my perfect summer foundation, but right now the summer is not like really in. We're not really in the summer yet, but we have been having some really beautiful days. But definitely I'll be going to the Douglas one of these days to look for a perfect foundation. I'm really looking for something really nice, not like completely full coverage, but something between that range of full coverage and natural skin. That's what I'm looking for. So very soon I'll be going to the city to look for foundation. So I'm going with a little bit of contour and a highlighter. I use this L'Oreal foundation stick. Actually, this contour that I'm using is actually a foundation stick. I really like the way it blends to the skin. It's a foundation, but I love using it as a contour to contour my face, and I love how it blends very smoothly, and I love the fact it's also a stick. It's very easy to apply and it just blends with the skin smoothly, and I just love that. So I'm just like doing a little bit of contour where it's necessary, because sometimes when you put foundation on your skin, it kind of like makes your face look all the same, kind of like take off your highlight area. So I'm just going in to like bring out the cheekbone a little bit, bring out the under eye a little bit. So I'm going in with some Revolution concealer, and then later on I'll be going in with the NYX concealer. It's a little bit lighter, just to give my under eye that little bit of brightness, because like I said, I'm going outside, I'm going to take pictures, so I really want the under eye to be a little bit brighter. Even though the hairstyle I'm going for, it's different, but I still want to have that like bright under eye just a little bit. So that's the reason why. And as for the eyes, I'm going for something very simple. You guys know I love like a simple natural makeup look, something very, very simple, not too much. I've been really loving like the no makeup look, like a really soft, natural, soft glam makeup on the eyes. I really not really much into colors. I do like, sometimes I do wear colors, but this last few period of time now, I have been really loving that natural makeup look. If you guys want to see more pictures of my more pictures of this makeup, follow me on Instagram, because I do post pictures there of myself when I went to take some pictures for the birthday. So I did have some pictures post, so you guys can see like how the makeup lasts throughout the day, because it looks really, really nice. Trust me, going through this process, I really love the makeup. I really love the way it looks. And I also kind of like the NYX concealer underneath the eyes. It just blend very simple. I'm also kind of like blending everything, because I really don't want to see the hash line with the contour and everything. So I'm going to blend everything very smoothly. And I have been obsessed with this AmifullestBeauty setting powder. Oh my MG. Just that the only thing is that it kind of irritates my eyes a little bit, because it does have a smell. It does have like I don't know whether it has a perfume in it, but it does have this beautiful smell. But I do have allergic reaction to certain things, so I don't know, but I really loved it. It kind of irritates my eyes a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, but I love it. I am so obsessed with this. So now I'm going in with my Morphe contour powder. Like, this is my go-to, the Morphe contour powder or the Makeup Revolution, no, the Fenty Beauty contour bronzer. Those two, the Morphe bronzer and the Fenty Beauty bronzer, those two are like my favorites when I want to do the no makeup look, when I'm going for like that simple natural glam. I love using those two as an eyeshadow. It's just amazing. I really loved it. And yeah, it just looks so natural, so beautiful, as you guys can see. I just loved it. I love that smoky, dark, smoky brown look. Yeah, I'm just going. So now I'm going with this shadow. This shadow is my favorite. I'm going with this dark shadow, and just to like intense the outer corner a little bit, you know, you guys can see. Just gonna intense a little bit to make it a little bit more darker. Yeah, I really love this combination. Like, this is my go-to makeup. It's just so beautiful. I really, really loved it. It's amazing. Happy birthday to all the June 14 burns. Yeah, I'm a Gemini, June 14. Yeah, happy birthday to all of you guys. And all the Geminis, happy birthday in advance. And those of you whose birthday has passed, happy birthday. I really love this look. It's really, really simple, really, really nice. I really loved it. I'm back using my camera. Now I'm using my camera to film. Let me know what you guys think about me using my camera to film, because I feel like the camera is really nice. It kind of really gives you a beautiful, like, my skin. You guys see the skin, how the makeup looks, no filter. You guys can see this is the skin. Of course, your skin is never 100% like very smooth. No, of course, it's a skin. It does have textures. So yeah, but I really love the look with the camera. I'm also using the Fenty Beauty highlighter. That's what I'm using as an eyeshadow, like that. The highlighter, it has this really nice bronzy highlighter, and it's perfect when you use it for eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with my Revelation. Yes, I love this palette. I haven't found another setting powder like this particular one, so me and this setting powder is ride and die. We're gonna ride and die till I find something else that I like, but for now we're gonna keep on using this because I really love this powder. It's beautiful, it's amazing. Okay, the under eyes, yeah, that is something I can't get used to. My under eye is super sensitive. I'm always having water running through my eyes if I touch underneath my eyes. But you know what? You cannot do your eye and then leave the bottom lash. It just doesn't feel good. It just doesn't make the makeup look good. So definitely, I'm going through the struggle, and I just have to do the under eye. So I'm using this sleek blush. You know, I'm not really a blush person, but today I was like, you know what, let's just do something, you know. And I'm just going with the ordinary brush, no product on it. A little bit product on the tip of the nose, just to get a little bit shape, a little bit. But on the bridge of the nose, I'm just going whatever is on the brush, just excess, because I really didn't want that super dark contour. So now I'm going with a little bit of bronzer. This is the Morphe bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer. I love this bronzer. Just a little bit, you know. And let me know what you guys think of this makeup look. I'm also going with a little bit of the NYX Sleek shimmery bronzer. I loved it. And when it comes to the lip, my favorite as always, I'm using the Kiko lip liner in 321 if I'm not mistaken. And I'm also using the Essence lip gloss. I love it. Those two are my favorite. Those two are like my go-to makeup, my go-to combination when it comes to the lip. If I want to use like something more natural. And I also went in a little bit with the NYX lip gloss also a little bit, just to give a little bit of different color to blend everything. So yeah, I hope you all like this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment. I love this NYX lip gloss. It's amazing. It's really beautiful. I loved it. Guys, this is the finished result when it comes to the makeup. This is the birthday makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comment box. I'll try my best and leave all the products for you guys in the description box. For those of you who have been following me for a very long time, already know the product I use. They are not new brand, they're just the same old product. Makeup Revelation, Milani, foundation, AmifullestBeauty, setting powder, Fenty Beauty, highlighter, Morphe bronzer, and just all random makeup that I have been using for a while now. Some of you already know, but for those of you who don't know, I'll try and leave all the names in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I truly appreciate you all, and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye.